Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the storage screen open. That gives a prioritized list of space hogs so you know where to act first. Once you've backed up to iCloud or a computer, offload unused apps to keep data while removing the app itself. Make sure to tap the largest apps and review documents and data. These often hide big attachments. As you work, watch the storage bar at the top so you can see immediate gains and decide which next target will free the most space. Now dig into the mid-level work. Delete large message threads and their attachments because photos and videos and messages can be massive. Next, clear Safari cache and website data to remove stored files that pile up over time. This helps immediately. For photos, enable Optimize iPhone storage to keep full-res in iCloud while smaller versions stay on device, and quickly delete duplicates, screenshots, or RAW photos you don't need. Once done, check third-party apps for downloaded media and remove offline files. Finish by restarting your iPhone so the system recalculates available storage and often reclaims space after large deletions. Make sure to update iOS because updates sometimes include storage optimizations. If you still see unexpectedly low free space, reset settings, or perform a restore from a recent backup. That resolves corrupted caches. Troubleshooting tip. If storage metrics look wrong, connect to a computer, create a fresh backup, then erase and restore the device. That rebuilds the storage index and typically fixes phantom usage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.